class? Good evening. Good evening once more. How is your evening? Yes, I see your faces are bright. You are really fine. Okay. Before we continue, I want to call the roll call. I want to know whether all of us are in or some of us have decided to record the class. Naomi?
Present.
Zikri?
Present.
Okelo?
Present.
Daisy?
Present.
Thank you. All of us are in class. Okay, before I introduce our today unit of competence, I want us to remind ourselves what we learned in our last session. Who can remember what we learned in our last session? Yes, Anne?
We learned about the finance.
Yes, we learned about different sources. Let's appreciate her. Okay, today our unit of competence is maintain school libraries, media, and documentation centers. And our session title is Library User Orientation Program. Okay, when we talk about Library User Orientation Program, what comes into your mind? Yes, Okelo?
Creating awareness.
Yes, creating awareness. Another person?
This is the instruction given the past user of the library.
Yes, user orientation program is a program structured or a session designed to introduce users to the library setup and its functions. Okay, I want you to think, pair, and share and tell me the purpose of user orientation program. 2 minutes. Okay, what are the purpose of user orientation program? Anywhere? Yes, come and write. Another person? Okay, thank you. Let's appreciate that. Okay, the purpose of library user orientation program is to keep library users abreast of any current information. Another one is to create awareness what the library has, so the users know what the library has, and they will go and use the new information materials. Okay, I think we are done. We have identified the purpose of the library orientation program. Now we are on our second outcome. Recognize the major sections of a library and their roles. So I see you are tired. I want you to, we are now going to have a library tour, but we imagine we are in a library setup. But now I want to take you through the sections of the library. So we stand up and come with me. Okay, this is the circulation section whereby it manages letting and returning of library materials. It's also it's in charge of book taking, that's taking out and in of the library books. So let's go to another session. We are done with the circulation. We come to reference section. Its functions is to provide access to reference material such as encyclopedias, dictionaries, and atlases. Okay, our next section is the technical and processing section, whereby it handles the classification and cataloging of information materials. And our last section is the acquisition section, whereby its functions it is responsible for selecting, procuring new materials, and also managing the budgets and order the library materials. Okay, we are done with the sections. I want you to get back to your seat position. So, I want you to write on a piece of paper. This is a 1-minute paper about the sections of the library and their functions. Okay. Okay, I want to give you an assignment, which are right on the board. I want you to visit the library and identify the functions of circulation and the system they are using in circulation. This is 20 marks. It's an individual assignment. It will be your second card because we are done with the first card, which we did the presentations last week. So, have you written the assignment? Write down the assignment. Then give me my papers. Yes. Okay, this will help me to know whether you have understood our today's session. Any question? Have you understand? Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Let's appreciate one another.